everyone, this is Shnanda and welcome to my channel. In today's class, we will study yet another interesting chapter from ICSE syllabus for class 9. The name of the chapter is Old Man at the Bridge, written by Ernest Miller Hemingway. So let's begin. Before we go deep into the chapter, let us know some facts about the author. Now, why is it necessary to know about the author before we go into the chapter? It is so because if we know the author well, we will understand the chapter better. Ernest Miller Hemingway was an American journalist, novelist, short story writer. So beside being a journalist, he was a novelist and a short story writer. Hemingway produced most of his works between the mid-1920s and mid-1950s. So this was a tenure during which he was very productive. That is, he produced numerous works. And he won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1954. So he also won the prestigious Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1954. Now let's know about the background of the story. This will enable us to understand the story better. The story is based on true incident that Hemingway witnessed as a reporter during Spanish Civil War. So this particular story is based on true incident that the author himself has witnessed as a reporter during the Spanish Civil War. So at that time he was working as a reporter and he collected his experience and he implied that on writing this particular story. The story throws light on the harsh reality. So this story is throwing or is highlighting a harsh reality. Now, what is this harsh reality? That common people suffered the most in a war even when they were innocent. So this was the harsh reality. That it was the commoners or the common people or the citizens, civilians who suffered the most due to the wars. Okay, they were the victim of wars. In spite of being innocent, they were the actual people who suffered the most. Okay, so this was the harsh reality on which the author has thrown light in this particular chapter. Now let's start with the chapter. Okay. The story Old Man at the Bridge by Ernest Hemingway was set in the backdrop of Spanish Civil War in 1938. So this story, Old Man at the Bridge by Ernest Hemingway, is set at the backdrop, means the background of the story is based on the Spanish Civil War which occurred during 1938. The story is presented in form of conversation between a soldier and the old man. So this particular story is presented in not a regular form, means it is not presented in a regular form the way the short story are presented. It is a bit different from the other short stories. It is presented in a form of conversation between whom? Between a soldier and the old man. The old man over here is the protagonist of the story. So it is presented in a form of conversation between these two people. The writer here took the ordinary details and transformed it into a powerful story about the tragedy of war. So Ernest Hemingway has very interestingly collected minute details or ordinary details and transformed them into a very powerful story which showed us which told us about the tragedies of the war or the horrors of war. So he beautifully presented the tragedy of war or the horrors of war by transforming ordinary detail into a powerful story. The old man in the story became symbol of the countless civilians who perished in war. So the old man was the symbol or the representative or the face of all those civilians who perished or suffered due to war. During the war, there was panic and anxiety all around. Obviously, when a war is going on, it is bound to create panic, anxiety and chaos all around. Everyone was aware of the impending death. So everybody was aware that someday or the other, some moment or the other, they are going to die because of this war that is going on. An old man with spectacle who had to leave his hometown during war sat exhausted by the side of a road near a pontoon bridge that crossed the river. So there was this old man who with spectacle. The spectacle is significant over here because it is telling us that the man was very aged. And what was he doing? He had left his hometown. Why? Because of the war. And now he was very exhausted. He had been walking for kilometers and now he's extremely tired and exhausted, and that is why he's sitting on a road which is near a pontoon bridge that crossed the river. Now what is a pontoon bridge? It is a floating bridge that is constructed over a river. Okay. So this old man was exhausted and was sitting near the bridge. The soldier got engaged in conversation with the old man. Now this soldier, he was having a conversation with this old man, during which he came to know that the old man was worried about his animals that he had left behind. Now when this soldier was talking with the old man, he came to know from him that the old man was very worried about the pets that he has left behind in his hometown. He loved his pets. Who were his pets? 2 goats, a cat and 4 pigeons. They were the pets of the old man. Okay, 2 goats, a cat and 4 pigeons, and he had left them behind in his hometown, and now he is worried about their well-being. Okay, the soldier tried to console him by saying they would be safe. Now obviously the soldier has nothing to do. Okay, he can't help the old man in any way. The only thing he could do was to console him. So he said that, don't worry, your animals, your pets will be safe and sound. Don't worry about them. Be relaxed. Okay. The soldier was very concerned about the old man's safety. Obviously, the soldier was very concerned because the man was very aged and he had already walked so many kilometers and he was exhausted. So the soldier was feeling pity on him and he was concerned about the old man's safety. Whereas the old man was worried about his pet's safety. Now, the soldier is worried about him and the old man is worried about his pets. Okay, so they both are worried. The old man was 76 years old and came walking 12 kilometers. So now the old man, the protagonist of the chapter, he was 76 years old, means he was quite aged, and he had been walking for last 12 kilometers. He had walked 12 kilometers, that is from his hometown to the place that he had reached now. The distance was 12 kilometers and he has crossed that distance, and obviously that is why he was tired. Thus was extremely tired to walk any further to catch a ride to Barcelona. So he needed to walk few more kilometers in order to catch a ride to Barcelona. So his destination was where? Barcelona. He wanted to go to Barcelona, and for that he needed to catch a ride. And how will he catch a ride? By walking few more kilometers, which he was unable to do because he was extremely tired. He had already walked 12 kilometers from his hometown, and because of his age, he was extremely tired, exhausted, and he could not walk any further to catch a ride to Barcelona. That was his destination. The old man was grateful to the soldier for his concern towards him and thanked him for that. Means the old man was very grateful to the soldier. Why? Because he could understand that the soldier was feeling pity towards him. He was concerned about his safety and well-being, and that is why he felt grateful and he thanked the soldier for his concern. Okay. The soldier felt pity for the old man, but there was nothing he could do to help him. Obviously, the soldier was feeling pity for this old man who was so aged and he had walked so many kilometers, and now he again has to go few more kilometers to reach his destination. So he was feeling pity for him, but there was no way that the soldier could help him. He could see the person suffer, but he had no chance to help him, okay, in any way. The story ended on a note of depression and impending death, and especially the horrors of any war. So the story ended on a note of depression, because why the depression is? Firstly, it was because of the war that was going on, that is Spanish Civil War that was going on at that particular time. It had caused panic and chaos among all the civilians, and the civilians were suffering the most. They had to leave their hometowns and walk miles and kilometers to reach a safe destination, like the old man. And other thing was that they knew that the death was near. Why the death was near? Because first of all, it could happen due to the bombing that was going on, due to the warfare, and secondly because of the exhaustion that they had to face after walking miles. They could die on the way itself. So these all were very much depressing. Okay. And the soldier, in spite of being concerned about the old man's safety and having pity towards his condition, he could not help him in any way. His helplessness, that he saw, he's seeing this old man suffer so much, but he could do nothing to help him. Okay, so this all were been very beautifully showcased in this particular chapter, especially the horrors of the war. And these were all the result, this depression, this impending death, and all this chaos, and everything that was going on was due to the effects of war. So the bad effects of the war has been very well portrayed in this particular chapter by Ernest Hemingway, where he himself witnessed the incident as a journalist, and he had presented it in form of conversation in this particular short story, where we see the horrors of the harsh reality of war. The common people, they are the sufferers. They had to leave everything behind and walk away from their hometown. They have to walk miles, which might lead to their death and separate them from their dear ones. So these were all the ill effects of war that the civilians had to go through. And that is why it is said that the story ended on a sad note. It ended on a note of depression, impending death, and especially the horrors of any war. So I hope you have understood this chapter. It's a very beautiful presentation by Ernest Hemingway, where we see the horrors or the tragedy of the war suffered by the common civilians. In case you have any doubt regarding the chapter, do let me know in the comment section. Till then, keep watching, and please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like my channel. Bye bye. Thank you.